Morning students, myself Arpit Kaur. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our chapter number 3 and the name of the chapter is Earthquake in Assam and it is written by Ruskin Bond. So let's begin now. So in this story Ruskin Bond talks about the disaster which occurs on 12 June 1897 in Bengal and Assam. Ruskin Bond was not born at that time, but this story is about his grandfather and his father, who was a child at that time. And his grandfather was in the habit of his grandfather had a habit of bathing in a tub for a long time, as children love to play. But sometimes he would sleep there or splash water like a child for hours, as sometimes children also start splashing water while bathing in the tub. His grandfather had also the habit of playing with the water in the same manner. On the other hand, his grandmother, Ruskin Bond's grandmother, always expressed concern over his bathing habits. When earthquake jolts, and one day what happened? Earthquake occurred, and it start shaking the things. It jolts the earth, and building and dams and other thatched roofs houses tumble down to rumble, and they start shaking, trembling. Grandfather runs for his life, as when he came to know about this, he ran for his life from back door, since the front door was locked down by furniture, thatch bricks, etc. Now, Ruskin Bond also says that the earthquake which occurred in Assam and Bengal, it causes more damage, or you can say much damage to the property, and many lives were lost. Though it is the center of Shillong, but it was a record breaking high in the intensity that it affects was seen still in Calcutta. Ruskin Bond says that the earthquake which occurred in Assam, it becomes a history, because it was such a record breaking high that it broke the entire world, and still some evidence can be seen in present time also in Calcutta and Bhagalpur. Even at that time trains were overturned. Even the trains, those who were going somewhere or coming from somewhere, they overturned. His grandfather, Ruskin's grandfather, took the family under a wooden cottage, which surprisingly didn't come down. Only that wooden cottage was saved at that time, and in it was such a horrible earthquake. People were running here and there. People were so terrified they start moving from one place to another to save their lives. Somehow, grandfather, along with his family, whose grandfather? Ruskin Bonds. He managed his family to move to Calcutta. Though Calcutta was not far, it was not so long, but still the cracks on buildings and mansions were evident. Still, the cracks which are found in Calcutta, they are the witnesses, or they are the evidences of that earthquake. So when he reached there, it was the time of the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Victoria, and for that purpose, or for that proposal of 60 guns salute was mandated, as to honor their princess. 60 gun salutes were mandated. Well, grandfather was against it because he had seen a lot of breakage, so he was against it because he thought that the much firing, that if this happens again, guns were fired, then it may damage the buildings which had cracked on it. On the other hand, salute to Queen was also important, as it was the Diamond Jubilee, so it was important for the people to salute their queen. So the guns were duly fired and nothing happened to Calcutta, and it remained standing. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.